If someone is not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe today. Like, follow, and share for more such videos. Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will be talking about what is BODMAS. BODMAS is an acronym to help children remember the order of mathematical operations, the correct order in which one should solve math problems. BODMAS stands for, where B stands for brackets, O for orders. When you say orders, it's nothing but power, the indices, the roots. Okay, so squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, what we also call as indices, exponents, all these will come there. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. BODMAS is also called as BIDMAS or PEDMAS in some places. So what is BIDMAS? Everything is the same, but only that instead of O we are using an I, where I stands for indices. In PEDMAS, again, P stands for parentheses. Instead of brackets we are using the word P. E stands for exponents, so the indices, exponents, order, whatever, it's again the same. And DMAS means something about division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. When presented with a number sentence or a number statement as we call it, containing more than one operation, for example 3 plus 4 into 2, the operations cannot be completed from left to right, but instead it has to be done in the order of their importance, which is what BODMAS stands for. What is BODMAS rule? The BODMAS rule states that division and multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction in any mathematical example or any sum. And if there are brackets or parentheses as we call, and orders, that is powers and roots, exponents are there, they must be done first. For example, in the question 47 plus 54 divided by 9, the answer is 53 and it will not be 11.2 r, that is 2 will be recurring there. Next, coming to the brackets, we have three types of brackets. The innermost bracket is called as parenthesis, that's a round brackets. Next to it will come the braces or the curly brackets, then the square brackets. So from inside first we have the parenthesis, then the braces or the curly brackets, then the square brackets. So first we solve whatever operations are given within the parenthesis, then we go to the curly braces and then to the square brackets. We start from solving in the same order always. Next, mathematical expressions with multiple operators need to be solved from left to right in the order of BODMAS. Division and multiplication are considered as interchangeable and depend on which one comes first in the expression. That is, if both in a particular number statement or a number sentence we have a division and multiplication, both the operators are used, we usually follow the left to right rule. Suppose if multiplication comes first, we solve the multiplication and then we go to the division. Then the same thing will apply to addition and subtraction also. So suppose if subtraction comes first in the number statement or the number sentence, we do the subtraction part first, then we go to the addition. So we follow the left to right rule again for the same. A popular question asked by many teachers, parents, students is, when is a child introduced to BODMAS rule in school? Generally, grade 4 and grade 5 the child is introduced to BODMAS. By then the child is introduced and is well versed with the four operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So by then this BODMAS is slowly introduced to the child. We will try to solve on the given sums over here. It says, the very first sum says 2 plus 3 into 5. So first we solve the multiplication part. So 2 plus 15, the answer is 17. Going to the second sum, we have 30 minus 5 square. So we first solve the exponential part. So 30 minus 25, the answer will be 5. Next, you have 28 divided by 4 plus 3. 28 divided by 4 is nothing but 7 plus 3. The answer is 10. Going to the fourth sum, we have 24 minus 6 given within the brackets divided by 3. So first we need to solve the operations that is given within the brackets. So 24 minus 6 is nothing but 18. 18 divided by 3, that is equal to 6. Next one we have 20 plus 2 into 3 square. So it is 20 plus 2 into, we need to solve the 3 square. So 3 square is nothing but 9. Once this is done, we do the multiplication part. So 20 plus 2 into 9. So it is 20 plus 18. Answer will be 38. Next, 24 divided by 3 plus 5. So first we solve the division part. 24 divided by 3 is nothing but 8. 8 plus 5, the answer will be 13. We go to the next one. Here we have been given two separate expressions, okay, within the brackets. So first we need to solve that, and then the derived answer we need to divide each other. So to show you step by step, I am moving into the next slide. 6 into 3 plus 2, I am just recopying it, plus 2 into 3. So we first solve the multiplication part in both of them. 6 into 3 is 18 plus 2, retain the bracket, divided by 4 plus 6. So 18 plus 2 is nothing but 20. We can remove the brackets now. Divided by 4 plus 6 is 10. 20 divided by 10, the answer is 2. So the answer for this sum is 2. Next, going down, 7 into 15 minus 3 into 2. So we retain 7 as it is. We try to solve what is given within the bracket. 15 minus 3 into 2 is nothing but 6. So 7 into, we solve 15 minus 6 first. So 15 minus 6 is nothing but 9. 7 into 9, the answer is 63. With this, the first set of sums given in the first slide is done. You can once go through how exactly we have done the same. The next slide. Here it says 7 into 6 minus 5 into 4 plus 1 into 3. We have been given 3 sets of multiplication. First we solve them all in the first step. So 7 into 6 is nothing but 42. 5 into 4 is nothing but 20. 1 into 3 is nothing but 3. Now we solve from left to right, first the subtraction, then the addition. So 42 minus 20, the answer is 22 plus 3. We solve 22 plus 3, which is nothing but 25. We go to the next sum. 60 minus, within the bracket, 7 square plus 2 into 5. 60 minus 7 square is nothing but 49 plus 2 into 5 is nothing but 10. That is equal to, in the first sum if you notice I have gone horizontally, second sum I am trying to show how we do it one below the other, the steps. So 60 minus 49 plus 10 is nothing but 59. 60 minus 59, the answer is 1. So this becomes our final answer. The next sum, 10 minus, within the bracket, 9 divided by 3 square plus 4. So 10 minus 9 divided by, first as we all know we need to solve the exponential part. 3 square is nothing but 9 plus 4. 10 minus 9 divided by 9 is nothing but 1 plus 4. 10 minus 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. 10 minus 5, the answer is 5. So as you observe, this is how the three sums given over here is being solved. And further, these are the last three sums which we'll be doing. It says 2 into 3 plus 24 divided by 6. So as we all know, if multiplication comes first, we solve the multiplication, then we go to the division. So we first solve this and then we move on to this. So 2 into 3, the answer is 6, plus you copy this again if you want. Going to the next step, 6 plus, now we solve the division part. 24 divided by 6, answer is 4. 6 plus 4, the answer is 10. This becomes our final answer. Going on further, 1 plus 3 into, within the bracket, 6 square minus 4 into 3 square plus 8. So here 1 plus 3 into, we solve the exponents first. 6 square is nothing but 36 minus 4 into 3 square is nothing but 9 plus 8. Going to the next step, 1 plus 3 into 36. We try to solve the multiplication part. 4 into 9 is nothing but 36 plus 8. So 1 plus 3 into 36 minus 36 is nothing but 0 plus 8. So it is 1 plus 3 into, so 0 plus 8 is nothing but 8. Now in the next step what we do is we first solve the multiplication part. So 1 plus 24, that is nothing but 25. So this becomes our final answer. Many of might go wrong. Why, I'll tell you. You might first start solving the addition also simultaneously. You are done correct in this step, right? Then possibly you're done like this. 1 plus 3 into 8. So before you wrote this, if you have solved this part and you made it as 4 into 8, many of you all might arrive at the answer 32, which is going to be wrong, right? So be careful as to what you're going to solve and you're following the order of operations. We go to the last answer question. So here it says 3 into 5 square minus 3 within the bracket divided by 3 square plus 3 again within the bracket into 2 square. So we'll go step by step. 3 into 5 square is nothing but 25 minus 3 divided by 3 square is nothing but 9 plus 3 into 2 square is nothing but 4. We solve the multiplication part. So 3 into 25, the answer is 75 minus 3 divided by 3, 9 plus 3, the answer will be 12 into 4. 75 minus 3, the answer is 74 divided by 12 into 4. So here we sort out this first. So 72 divided by 12, the answer is 6 into 4. The final answer will be 24. I hope this is clear for everyone. You can once observe how the steps has been, or the sums have been solved step by step. We go to the next slide. As you all can see, we have given some sums over here and we are told to insert the brackets where needed to make the calculations correct. Right? Please observe, for the very first sum it says 14 plus 1 divided by 3 and the answer is 5. Right? Suppose if I go with division first, 1 divided by 3, then I'm going to get in decimals some recurring answers I'm going to get, and that added to 14. Again the answer is going to be 14 point something. So again the answer might be wrong. So let's observe and see where we have to insert the bracket. So according to me, the bracket should be inserted over here. So 14 plus 1, the answer will be 15 divided by 3. We get the answer 5, which matches with the given number statement. Right? Going to the next, it says 16 minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to 13. In this case, we insert the bracket over here, 12 divided by 4. So that's going to be 16 minus 12 divided by 4 is nothing but 3. 16 minus 3, the answer is 13. Again, you got the right answer. Here it says 7 into 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 36. So 7 into 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 36. So here we need to insert the bracket over here. So it will become 7 into 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5 plus 1. 7 into 5 is nothing but 35 plus 1. The answer will be 36. Going further down, it says 16 plus 4 into 2 divided by 5. So in this case, we insert the bracket over here. So 16 plus 2 is nothing but 20 into 2 divided by 5. Okay. That is equal to 20 into 2, because first multiplication has come from the left side if you're solving. So we do for the multiplication part, 20 into 2 is nothing but 40. 40 divided by 5, the answer is 8, which is what is needed. I hope this is clear for everyone. Going to a last slide. Here again we are being given some numbers. Okay. Some calculations also are being given. So they've been solved. But only thing is the operators are being forgotten. So where we need to put the operators, where the brackets has to go, the parentheses has to go. This we need to decide. So that based on which we get our given answers. Okay. The very first sum says 10 to 3 is equal to 16. Now to get 16, what operators has to go in over here? So 10 plus 2 into 3. Why? Because first we're going to solve the multiplication part. 2 into 3 is 6. So it's going to become 10 plus 2 into 3 is 6. Answer becomes 16. We have got our answer. Coming to next, it says 5, 4, 3 and then 27. In this case, where do we put our operators? Suppose if I'm going to put here plus and here multiplication sign. So what's going to happen? It's going to say 5 plus 12. Answer will be 17, which will be wrong. So how do we make this correct? By inserting not just operators but also brackets. Now what's going to happen? 5 plus 4 is nothing but 9. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. So we get the right answer. Going further down, 4, 24, 8 is equal to 1. So in this case what we do? Need to put division sign over here and minus sign over here. Why? 4 minus 24 divided by 8 is nothing but 3. 4 minus 3, the answer is 1. Again we got the right answer. The last two, what is being given, I want you all to solve it by yourself. Okay? Will you all, or should solutions be given? Okay. For this one, I will only give. The last one you all can solve it because we got a negative answer. Okay. Here it says 17, 4, 4, 3 that is equal to minus 2. According to me, it should be 17 minus 4 into 4 minus 3. Then how are you going to solve it? 17 minus 4 into 4 is nothing but 16 minus 3. Answer will be, if we're going left to right, 17 minus 16 is nothing but 1 minus 3. Now hope you can understand, 1 minus 3 is nothing but minus 2. We got our answer. Okay. So I request you all to just solve the last one given over here. And please DM me your answers.